Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a tutorial on basic arpeggiating and pitch automation for synthesizing a build-up in EDM. That's pretty generic, but it'll give you a platform on how to go about your build-ups in your songs. So, I guess I'm gonna start off with just a really long note, C, and yeah. Then you basically want a synth, basically low, preferably, something like that, and you're gonna want to start off. It's gonna just be flat. As you heard before, I had the pitch, but I'm going to show you how to get to that later. Right now, it should sound like this. Just straight, sustain, sine waves. Okay? Or, what is this? Not a sine wave. Sawtooth. Yeah, saw, whatever. Basically, you're going to want to go into this menu right here and click Arpeggiator. Turn that on. And you're going to want to have latch on, and you want the up and down mode as well. You're going to hit A on the track, the MIDI track, and you're going to go into your automation window, and you're going to go to the arpeggiator, and the first step you're going to make is the rate. This is pretty generic. You can do it however you want, but this is pretty generic. Like, this is a great start. You can change it later. Right now, when you put this arpeggiator and activate it, like the steps I just showed you, should sound like this. If you don't know, if you just click on the line, it'll create a node. And with these nodes, basically you want just like that, you know? And if you look on the grid, just try and like keep it however you feel. And yeah. Once you do that, real quick, I want you to turn it off, and I want you to bounce this. I already bounced it here, but I'll bounce it again. It's you right click it, and it's right here, bounce in place or Control B. So I'm gonna hit Control B, synth bip, and it made it without the arpeggiator. So this right here is just straight sawtooth. Okay? No, you don't want to move the automation data. Hold on. Yeah, you just wanna, but basically you wanna bounce it, because this is why. This is a big reason why. You're gonna wanna have something arpeggiating up, basically punchy, and then you want something gliding up as well, and you wanna blend the two in. One way you can do this blending in is if you go to your EQ, and you have your low cut and your high cut, and basically you're gonna want to go to your EQ section here, and I guess you could do like a quick cut off right there if you wanted to, and a low cut basically like right there, give or take. And that's gonna just take the lows out and really like give it that morph effect. You can create a bus. I created a bus here, and it has a chorus with the preset. I prefer these two just for starting out. I'll tweak it later, but it's a good start, I guess. Um, then once that's done, once it looks like that, you're good on the arpeggiated track, which is this one. We did the rate. Okay, now let's go to latch and just make sure that's on. You want that to be on at all times. You don't want it just a little bit. Then you're gonna want to find a plugin. Maybe in your plugin you'll have a pitch, overall pitch knob that you can use or automate. Basically, you just want to find something that has a pitch knob. This is one of my go-to. Sound shifter pitch. It's great. I use it all the time. I definitely recommend it. Here it says ratio, but if you go in here to the sound shifter pitch, which would be here, it's pitch. And you want it to go all the way up and disappear. I did that the same here as well. Actually, I didn't. I don't know why. But yeah, just want it to go up like that. And yeah, everything looks alright. You can do a quick little thingamajigger if you wanted to. Little finesse. Then you're gonna want to turn those on. Last thing before I show you, this guy, transposer. You can use this if you have two notes that are going up at the same time but are in the same key. You can use this and basically raise it up 2 octaves really quick without messing with your plugin setup or your synthesizer or whatever you got going on. And oh, one more thing. I created a chorus over here, like I put it in a bus, auxiliary bus 3, and it's basically a Synox. And basically how I did this was pretty much like that, and then I go to my automation curve tool on my toolbar. Also, a quick tip, always have that at absolute value. And you're gonna hit command and you're gonna drag it a little bit like that. And then you have a little swoosh with your finesse. And it should sound something like this. And yeah, there you go. You can change the audio however you want. You can change the higher one, make it even higher. Add some noise, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, here it comes! You know what I mean? And also when you have the arpeggiator and latch, it's always going to play through, that's why I muted it. But it's good to do that because you're getting that full sound, and when you print it, it'll just be like everything's going. You know? That's the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Peace.